Nyukwana, the mayor of Emalahleni Local Municipality in the Eastern Cape province. We are one of the 2 municipalities in South Africa that happen to benefit from the pilot from the ICT Vision 2020 implementation. As Emalahleni, we have managed to be one of the beneficiaries that will be actually realizing a life in the standards of the world through the broadband connectivity. Our situation currently, even before the broadband, was very bad. Poor connectivity, even in the government buildings, municipal offices. Some government departments were without connection, and there was an intention to have a connection even from the officials and the heads or politicians. In 2011, with USASA, we managed to make some progress, forming a steering committee with USASA, which has to prioritize which institutions must be a priority. In line with the election manifesto, the National Election Manifesto will prioritize education as key, that we must have some schools that are benefiting in the program through being given computer labs that are fully connected, up and running for the access of the learners and the teachers and the community, of which one of the schools to benefit was in Nomveliso, and they're all in the villages, and there are a lot that have benefited. I can include in Nomveliso Junior Secondary School, Stonycroft Junior Secondary School, Fremantle Boys High, which is also one of the schools which is regarded as a heritage school, which most leaders have managed to walk through and get their education from. The plan is to have all our offices connected. We do have containers in all the 3 towns for the access of the community for printing, copying, because as a rural municipality we don't have much centers for that benefit. But through the support of USASA, we managed, which is an agency that works for the Department of Communications. At this stage now, we've managed even to prioritize the top performing schools that have received 100% in education. Those schools are Dodrek High School and Mzamo High School. Dodrek, yes, is a former model C school, but in Mzamo it's purely a rural school, a rural school in the rural area, which needs a lot of resourcing, even the library. With the access into internet connectivity through USASA, our learners are able to be connected through the world. They're able to access information through the use of computers. They're able also to get the experience of using the computer. Remember, most of these learners, they have only one access to the computer through their cell phones, something which has never been there before 20 years. And now this concept shows to be able to improve the lives of the people of South Africans, because with health, the centers that will be having access to connectivity will also benefit having a connection between health professionals with the others. Even the professionals getting more improved information and access to information in terms of which better methods to help the people in terms of whatever they'll be dealing with in the health centers. We're also not only looking on health and institutions like municipal offices only. We're considering even other departments like Department of Rural Development and Land Reform. Remember, we are in agricultural area here in Chris Hani and Emalahleni as well. So a lot of community projects will benefit in having those connectivity, where government officials in the Department of Rural Development and Land Reform will be able to advise them, whether on veterinary services or on micro-related plant biology systems, where they'll be able to advise. For example, if one is a crop producer and is producing potatoes and would see a certain appearance on the leaves of the potato, will be able to say, out of look on the internet, that is it a disease or is it a shortage of nutrients in the actual plant. So it has that benefit, as well as it has received much support and is appreciated by a Department of Safety and Security, South African Police Services, because with it will be able to, they will be able to have a connection easier with other institutions. Remember, Emalahleni is a 3-town municipality. It has got police stations in different areas, but communication where they'll be able to know whether maybe a certain individual or transport that was used to transport the inmates has been able to arrive at a certain point, and able to inform another institution of any threat which has managed to escape from their own area. So we have seen a lot of benefit even on the social lives of the people, because people are able to make banking through the use of the schools and the nearby of those schools that have already benefited. And currently with those top performing schools, laptops are already there and iPads are ready for delivery. But I want to emphasize, we are waiting for the president to do the launch. We are very much proud of the project and we want it to proceed to the fullest so that every South African realized a better life through improved access to information and through connectivity with the use of the broadband. Thank you.